Welcome to Code Station.
Hey guys, welcome back to Bootstrap again. Today in this video, we are going to see Bootstrap grid system. So, Bootstrap grid system is a powerful tool for building responsive websites. The grid system is the backbone of Bootstrap, helping you create layouts that look great on all devices, from mobile phones to large desktop screens. So let's see the table of contents. So first we are going to see the introduction of grid system. Next we are going to see about the understanding of our grid layout. The third we are going to see about the responsive breakpoints and the nesting columns. So before that, please subscribe our channel Code Station to have some more videos like this. So let's get started. To start, let's talk about grids in general. Think of a grid as a blueprint for your layout. It's a structure made up of intersecting lines, both horizontal and vertical, creating a series of rows and columns. This structure allows you to position your content in a way that is visually pleasing and easy to navigate. For example, imagine you're designing a magazine. The grid helps you decide where to place images, headlines, and text blocks so that everything looks organized. So now Bootstrap grid system takes this concept and applies it to web design. It divides your screen into 12 equal width columns. These columns are your playground. You can combine them, split them, and even hide them depending on your design needs. For instance, if you want to create a layout with 3 equal sections, you will assign each column 4 columns using the col-4 class. So let's listen about some extra example too. Imagine you are building a block. You want a sidebar that takes up 1/3 of the screen and a main content area that takes up 2/3. So in Bootstrap, you would assign col-4 to the sidebar and col-8 to the main content. This gives you a perfectly balanced layout. So talking about the summary, Bootstrap grid system is a powerful tool for creating responsive layouts. It uses a series of containers, rows, and columns to align content. So next, we are going to see the understanding of our grid layout. So Bootstrap's grid system is highly flexible. You can use classes like .col-sm, that is small, for small screens, or col-md, which is medium, for medium screens. These classes automatically adjust the width of the columns based on the screen size. For example, on a smaller screen, your 3-column layout might stack vertically instead of side by side to improve readability. So let's say you are designing a portfolio website. On a large desktop screen, you want to display 3 projects side by side. But on a mobile device, you want this project to stack one on top of the other to make them easier to read. By using Bootstrap's responsive classes, you can achieve this without writing a lot of custom CSS. Now let's move on to responsive breakpoints. So responsive breakpoints are where the magic happens. These are predefined points where your layout changes to accommodate different screen sizes. Bootstrap has 5 breakpoints: XS, SM, MD, LG, and XL. You might use .col-md-6 to create a 2-column layout on medium screen and column large 4 for a 3-column layout on the large screen. So let's think of an example. Thinking about an e-commerce website on a large screen, you might want to show 4 products in a row using col-large, so for each product. But on a tablet, showing 4 products might make them too small. So you switch to column medium 4, showing this product per row instead. The flexibility ensures your users always have a great experience no matter what device they are using. So as you can see here, each breakpoint has its own class. For instance, .col-xs. So it applies to extra small screen, SM for small screens, and so on. By mixing and matching these classes, you can create layouts that adapt to any device size seamlessly. If we talk about the nesting columns, one of the most powerful features of Bootstrap's grid system is column nesting. This means you can place a row of columns inside another row. This is useful when you need more complex layouts. For example, inside a column main content area, you might nest a two-column layout for a photo and a text size by side. So to sum up, Bootstrap's grid system is incredibly versatile and makes responsive design straightforward. Whether you are building a simple web page or a complex web application, understanding and using the grid system will help you create layouts that works across all devices. So it's a game changer in modern web development. Thank you all for your attention. I hope this session has given you a solid understanding of the Bootstrap's grid system. If you have any questions or need further clarifications or any points, feel free to ask me. Thank you.